back to Chinky Drawing Art! Today, we're drawing something snappy, sandy, and super fun! It's a crab! Grab your black marker, and let's get started on this fantastic adventure! Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here, let's draw these big, bright, and super cute eyes. They'll bring our drawing to life. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life? Every day. Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass, so neon. Pick your favorite shades and start coloring. Let's fill it in. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super. Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already. Fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Subscribe to Chinky Drawing Art for more fun and easy drawings. Slow and smooth. Ooh, look at those colors shine. It's looking better than ever. Are you smiling while drawing? I hope so. This is turning out to be so awesome.
You must try this.
Let's add a little bit more. Just like that.
Nice.
You're making this look so beautiful. Wow. Red color, la la la. So bright and bold. And you did it. Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful, just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.